You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 4000. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 300 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 0.07. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 4000.